Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Today we are back at a spot that I was meaning to film the other day, and I caught a ton of fish, and of course I forgot my camera stuff at home. Stupid me, on the table, right? So today we're back out here. The water's somewhat low again, so it should be okay. The wind is blowing, so this little area we're going to is a little creek that should keep us blocked from the wind somewhat. Then later on today, I'm probably going to do an unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to do it on this video or another video, but I'm really excited about it. So let's get all this stuff loaded up. We've got Art over there in his truck, and we're gonna try and get some fish today. I don't know how well this is gonna go. If I don't catch any fish, probably gonna do the unboxing on this video. If I did catch some fish, probably still gonna do the unboxing on this video. If we catch a lot of fish, probably gonna be a different video. So stay tuned. We're gonna launch these kayaks here shortly and see you out on the water. Oh, got one. First little, oh man, this guy's cold. First little bass of the morning. Probably like a total of like 10 inches. But it's a fish. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh, pickerel. Gosh, dang it. Oh, he's a tiny one too. And we got a first pickerel of the day. And he hammered that. Oh, calm down, calm down. Nice little pickerel. I'm telling you, you need to come fish over here. Got one. Oh yeah, a little bit better one. Oh, another damn pickerel. Look at that thing. Oh God! Freaking just beeline straight for my dang kayak. Oh, okay, alright. Before you hit me in the face with the damn crankbait. Ooh, almost had you. Oh. There we go. Hey, calm down, calm down. A little bit better size. Oh my gosh. Alright, come on. A little bit better size pickerel. He's probably, let's see here, about 16 inches. Let him go. Thought it was a better bass, but it wasn't. Oh yeah, I got one on the jerkbait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, another damn pickerel. Oh yeah, and he's all goobered up with hooks. Oh yeah. Oh, it's coming out. First fish of the year on a jerkbait. Dang, things are cold. Ooh, 51 degrees. And there's something on the surface over here. I don't know if it's a gar or if it's a pickerel. Same thing. There it is. Got it. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass! Got a bass on the jerkbait. Oh, a nice sized one too. Oh, I'll put your shit down. Nice little bass. Alright. See you later, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on. Another little tiny bass. Oh God, that's a good one. Can't see it, so oh, it's a fucking pickerel. Oh no, that's a bass. That's a good sized bass. That is a nice little bass for around here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got him in both sides of the mouth. Oh man, that is a nice sized bass. Jesus. Good 2-pounder, 2.5-pounder. Come on, get out of there. Jesus. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. Yo, something like completely bent this hook. Hold on. Hold you like this. And do it with my strong hand. That's definitely on camera. Oh, sorry, dude. I hooked you again. Alright, well, we can fast forward through all that. Biggest bass of the day, right there. Probably about 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds. See how much he measures. 14.5. Not nice, not a bad little bass. Bass are really cold. That's for dang sure. Water temperature is 54 degrees. And it's sunny out now. What's going on, guys? Oh, let's fix that. Let's get that a little brighter. Whew. All right, let's take this thing off. All right, guys, so right here is the big surprise that I have for y'all. I think it will bring a lot to my channel. And if you're asking why I had no outro for fishing, that's because this is it. No, it was super windy outside, so I decided to wait till I got home to do the outro. I caught a lot of fish, mainly on the square bill and the jerkbait. The water was about 52 degrees, I think, and so that jerkbait really came in handy. And then the wind started picking up, and you know, I had to get home. So, but today we're gonna open this thing, see what it is, and we got another little thing to go along with it. So hold on, let me get a knife. Oh, all right, so oh, that wasn't anywhere near the middle. There we go. We got this, and we've got this. I have been waiting to get one of these for the longest time now. I just love the footage you can get from them. The bigger one, I could have got the bigger one, the DJI Phantom, but this one is perfect for what I do. It's small, compact, and I can launch it straight from my kayak if I'm out on the water. So let's open this thing up and look at it. So right off the bat, it comes with this. Well, let's get this out of here real quick. This is a bunch of papers. We don't need those. But comes with this cool little box thing, and what's that? Oh, comes with this awesome little case too. But I got a case for it, so I'll show you that here in a second. So let's open this thing up, see what's inside this thing. Foam. More foam. Oh, so I got the Fly More package, which comes with the remote and some other cool little things. Comes with an extra battery for longer flight time and all that other good juiciness. Battery charger. We got some prop protectors, some blade protectors. Got our the other half to our charger, if I can get it out of here. Got the other half to our charger. Let's see what else. That looks like it's it for in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we got some more stuff in here. Oh, we got a USB cable. Hook it up to the TV. Got our battery charger. And that's all that's in there. This is where the juice is, right here. Oh. Now, if you notice, if you've, been subscribed to my channel or, just watching it, notice that my kayak is lime green colored. So, of course, I had to get the lime green version or color of this drone. Now, right off the bat, man, this thing is, pretty, it feels pretty heavy, but I'm pretty sure that's just the battery in it. Oh yeah, this thing's super light. And I feel like this will be way easier than launching a big drone on my kayak. I can just pull it out, sit there, and send it up in the air, bring it back down, put it back, and it won't take hardly any space in my kayak. We've got some extra blades here. Some extra blades. We won't be using this little box, but it is a pretty neat little foam box. And we got our extra battery right here, which is pretty nice to have, considering how long, you know, it flies. It only flies for what I've read for about 15 minutes, 14 minutes, something like that. But this is pretty cool. Now, I've got all these cases now, but none of them are waterproof. And we're gonna be out on the water. All right, so we'll leave that right there. We'll put that over there so it doesn't get messed up. That's what this is. Where's my knife at? So, seeing how I'm gonna be on the water with it and, you know, trying to launch it from my kayak, I figured why not get an indestructible case for it. And to match it, I've got this box right here. Lime green. Yes, lime green is one of my favorite colors. So it is waterproof. Let's see how you open this thing. Oh, there it goes. Oh man, this thing is awesome looking. Got a bunch of brochures and stuff, but it already comes pre-cut out for the DJI Spark. So I can just set it in there like that. It will fit down in there. And I can store my batteries on each side. So yeah, I could do that. I could put my blades in here if I need extra blades. Oh, those came out. I'll put my extra blades in there. Let's take these out. This is the case I will be using mainly all the time, just because of, you know, I want to take care of this thing. So I'm not going to be really putting it in that little foam case, just because this is hard plastic, foam, waterproof. That's it. I'm gonna go hook this thing up and test her out, see what it, see if I can do it out here without, you know, getting in trouble or anything. But I shouldn't have to. I shouldn't worry about that. Anyways, I will have hopefully some drone footage in my fishing videos starting Monday. Today is Wednesday, so you're probably gonna watch this tonight, maybe. And tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, I can play with it around a little bit, and we're gonna go out fishing. Probably won't show that footage. I might. But yeah, hopefully I can play with it tomorrow too, a little bit on the water, so I can get, you know, the on the water nerves out of messing with a $600 drone. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you liked the fishing. I hope you liked this little unboxing. Hit that like button. Please subscribe. Hit that little bell so you can be notified when I post a video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.